In this Excel part 4 video, I am going to share you filter basics in Excel. When you click on Data tab, where we can see filter. So here, if I want to filter some information of the employee details, click filter. Then when you click any column, you can see these informations. Same thing when you click on the blank cell and select that blank cell, click on filter. So here everything is blank. So if I want to filter, select that range, click filter, tick whichever we want to filter, then that information only it will be filtered. So suppose you want the position. If you can see here text filter only here, click here begins with some character. If you want to filter that character type and click OK, it will filter that character only. Contains with, so type that character, click OK, it will filter that character only. Suppose you want to filter begins with, type that character, click OK, it will filter that character doesn't contain with. Select that, type that character, click OK. Suppose you want to filter salary also here, go to text filter, equals particular salary only. For example here 50,000 only, type 50,000, click OK, it will filter that information only. On the same way, I am going to share you advanced filter basics also. We can see nearby filter advanced, click there. So if I want to make the advanced filter of position, copy that position, and salary, copy salary also here. Then I want accountant only, just copy. For example, a logistics officer only, just copy logistics officer, and salary suppose greater than 45,000, type greater than 45,000. Now when you click advanced, you can see here list range where we are filtering here. So when before filtering, just keep that any cell inside that range, keep the. Now criteria range is here, select that criteria range also, copy to another location, click copy to another location. We want to filter any location on that sheet, then click on that sheet, then that particular area it will be filtered. So copy to another location, so that particular cell is starting filter. So we get the informations here. Suppose we want to filter here a particular character starting with A, employee name starting with A, and second condition salary greater than 45,000. So select the range and select the criteria range also, click copy to another location also. So we want to filter anywhere in that sheet. So third condition, copy to another location, select that also, click on copy to another location. We want to remove the old location because there is some data are there. So click here, click here. So we will get the employee name that contains A, Akhil, and he is an accountant. His salary is greater than 45,000. So these are the basic information filter. We have more information, more studies we need for this filter function. That I will discuss on later on the next classes also. So I hope you understand this video. Thank you very much.